today at Parc Cwm Darran. Amazing surrounds, as you can see. The show's been incredible, the kids fantastic. But earlier today it was chaos, can't deny it. 85 children and 10 professional dancers in that space. There's been a lot of practice going on today.
Oh, can we go on the mount? And can you just have 3 pull-away positions?
It is the 3rd year we've been working with Aberbargoed Primary School. It's always such a pleasure to come here. I think this is the largest cohort of students that we've worked with today. We've gone into the school on 3 full days and half a day as well, and then we've had all day on site here. We've brought all of the professional dancers of Ballet Cymru into the school to work with the kids, which has been absolutely phenomenal for the students, but for the professional dancers as well. We've rejigged the whole ballet of our Romeo and Juliet to incorporate 85 students, so we've had to adapt scenes. I've changed loads of the dancers' choreography to incorporate all the students, and so the dancers have really enjoyed the process, I think, of coming in and working with all of these kids. I think they've got a newfound respect for teachers, I've got to say. It's been full on.
Can I just say as well, yesterday, Dempsey, where are you? Brilliant as a Mercutio friend. Yesterday he stepped in for you, Miguel, so if anything happens, So the year 5 and 6 pupils weren't meant to be part of this project originally, but within the school, this project is like one of the highlights of the years, and they have requested if they can join the company again, and so this is what's boosted the numbers up. So the people who are new to the project, I think they have this idea of ballet in their head, and we're really breaking that stereotype. We're performing outside, we're performing on gravel, not in ballet shoes, in trainers, and it's just a lot of energy. There's a lot of fight scenes in Romeo and Juliet, which is great for getting all the children on board, and there's certain students within the school that have surprised the staff members. They weren't expecting them to be as up for the project as they've shown, and it just really gives them a chance to take part in a different way.
As boys, we was very sporty and active, like he's a footballer, I'm a rugby player. At first, when we done it a few years back, both of us didn't want to do it. And we come today and we thought this is one of the best experiences we've had all year.
Yeah.
Being that it's our last year in primary.
Yeah, and considering we're in year 6, we've got 3 or 2 weeks left, haven't we?
2 weeks.
And it's just being here is great because you have the lovely weather, which it was like that last year. But the lovely weather is such a good experience being here with the professional dancers, getting to meet all of them, being with your friends, having some fun, especially doing a sport you've never tried before and you may be like gay, you may be doing one.
Yeah, like we've all grown up together. Over the past 6 days we've all been having fun, running around, speaking a lot, and particularly us two were narrators, so it's very fun just having that confidence to do what we want to do in the future. Miguel is his personality is very funny and
he's just funnily active as well.
Like he's more like a kid than an adult.
He's all about the trends now. Like he knows everything about it. He's singing brand new songs around us.
Yeah.
And he's acting like the king over there, as you can see, lying down on the king's blanket.
It's a good experience. I hope they got out a bit of exercise to start with. Just different understanding on how art works, like just a different experience, how in general, how they can do something with a lot of activity and still, that requires a lot of feeling into it.
It's great for us as dancers to work this closely with this many kids and try give back what was given to us when we were learning.
We're going into the partners, is that
Originally when they say, we're going to add in nearly 100 school children, like, how is that possible? But actually, it's so possible, and I'm sure it took a lot of brain power on Amy's behalf, but it's possible, and it's beautiful to see them in the ballroom, but also to see the knowledge that they're learning through this amazing play Shakespeare wrote.
Go
Golygfa 1. Introduction. Two households, both alike in dignity, in Parc Cwm Darran.
It's been great for the school. The energy that's gone through the school this week has been fantastic. Even though some of us are feeling drained, it's been awesome. So we thoroughly recommend working with Ballet Cymru to anybody who can.
I've enjoyed it.
Number 1.
I've been enjoying the ballet because most schools don't have the opportunity to do ballet. And I've enjoyed all the professional dancers and being a part of a company.
I bet when your children started in school, you never expected to come and see them perform with professional dancers in a ballet show. Special thanks to the Arts Council for Wales, who've funded this evening's project and much of the work that Ballet Cymru does with schools across Wales.